The 34-year-old joker on the BBC Sunday with Laura Kuenzelsberg that it is one of the great last barriers to break down. In a wide-ranging interview alongside fellow British actor Martin Freeman, he discussed being trained by an ex-MI6 officer and their upcoming West on his role in Netflix's CPR adaptation of Austen's classic novel. Loudon said he might draw inspiration from some actors who have previously played the iconic Mr. Darcy role. He quite liked the idea of being a Ginger Darcy, he told the BBC. I think that is really breaking down barriers, one of the great last barriers to be broken down. Sitting next to a Loudon and smiling Freeman said he agreed. Loudon continued, he quite like the idea of me coming alone doing something else with or just copying one of them because some of the guys who played it are amongst the best. Matthew Macfadyen, to me, is one of the best actors on the planet. So if I just try copy him, maybe that's all right. But Ginger? Freeman asked Ginger. Loudon replied. Yep, change it up. Loudon and Freeman are set to take part in the David Ireland's West End Theatre show The Fifth Step, which is due to open at Soho Place Theatre. The pair told the program they had not met before they agreed to play an alcoholic and his Alcoholics Anonymous sponsor. Loudon said he enjoyed the dark humor of the show, saying that, while it may be corny, laughter was the best medicine and a way of self-healing. Asked about the BAFTA-nominated series Slow Horses, which focused on intelligence agents who have been discarded by MI5, Loudon talked about being trained in spycraft. We did a day with an ex-MI6 officer who was helping us to train in the art of surveillance and counter-surveillance. Walking alone follow. He gave us a lecture for a bit and then said right, we are going to go outside and do this. But then he pulled the shutters up on the window and saw that it was raining and he went, oh no, maybe we should. So MI6 don't operate alone in the rain. Loudon, who has been touted a possibility for the new James Bond, said. Maybe it's cause they're abroad. Freeman then shared his own experiences about being tailed occasionally. Just by people, sometimes follow you around. And they think you don't know and of course. Freeman said those experiences are less scary and more annoying. It's annoying because they think you don't know they are doing it. So occasionally I do just turn around and they go look. What? I try to be reasonable with people and say look, I am not a pro,